Headache. She has a headache. Stomachache. She has a stomachache. Cold. They have a cold. Acne. I have acne. Allergy. Susan has an allergy. Sore throat. I have a sore throat. Earache. My sister has an earache. Toothache. My daughter has a toothache. Backache. He has a backache. Diarrhea. My son is suffering from severe diarrhea. Sprain. Abrar has a sprain. Burn. I have a burn. Fracture. I have a fracture. Asthma. I carry an inhaler because I have asthma. Wart. My mother has a wart on her finger. Finger cut. I got a finger cut while cooking. Periods. I am on my periods. Fever. I have fever. Rashes. I have rashes on my body. Vomiting. She has been vomiting all night. Broken leg. I have a broken leg. Back pain. I have back pain. Swelling. I have swelling on one side of my face. Bruise. I have bruise on my leg. Gout. She suffers from gout. Sunburn. I have sunburn on my cheeks. Joint pain. My grandmother has joint pain. Dizziness. My brother suffers from dizziness. Heart attack. I have had a heart attack. Kidney stones. I have kidney stones. Runny nose. I have runny nose or my nose is dripping. Muscle ache. I have muscle ache or my muscle are sore. Shortness of breath. My uncle has shortness of breath. Malaria. I have malaria. Fatigue. Saim is suffering from fatigue. Ulcer. I have a stomach ulcer. Nosebleed. My little sister has a nosebleed. Migraine. My elder sister often gets migraine. Cramps. He gets muscle cramps every morning. High blood pressure. Mr. Chips had high blood pressure. Diabetes. My uncle has diabetes. Food poisoning. My grandfather has food poisoning. Dehydration. She needs water to avoid dehydration. Loss of appetite. She has a loss of appetite. Sneeze. He is sneezing. Cancer. He is being treated for cancer. Hepatitis. She suffers from hepatitis. Scabies. She suffers from scabies. Pneumonia. The doctor diagnosed the illness as pneumonia. Chickenpox. I have chickenpox. Stroke. My grandfather has a stroke. Bump. He got a bump on his forehead.